There are 3 healing modalities when the guests enter the dome. Each Somadome session is 20 minutes long. When the guest is inside the Somadome, they experience 3 healing modalities: binaural beats, light therapy, and energy healing. Each guest will experience the benefits specific to their needs. Guests report leaving feeling recharged, replenished, and better able to handle life stresses. Light and color immersion therapy have been used for thousands of years in ancient healing practices. We've integrated this type of therapy into the Somadome session. The dome will illuminate in a spectrum of colors to promote healing. The color of the dome will align with the specific chosen track to help the guests meet the goals of their session. Benefits include proper production of cortisol and melatonin, which are crucial for overall well-being and decrease in stress. The second healing modality is energy healing. We've incorporated microcrystalline tiles into the Somadome to protect against harmful electromagnetic waveforms coming from man-made electronics such as cell phones and radio frequencies. These EMFs are unnatural to the human body and are harmful to cells and organs. By blocking these frequencies, guests are able to experience a more calm and connected session. The Somadome protects the guests against harmful EMFs and helps them feel more calm, connected, and realigned. The third healing modality are binaural beats. Binaural beats are created when a sound wave comes in through your right and your left ear at slightly different frequencies. To balance this difference, your brain creates a third beat called a binaural beat. These beats help guide the brain into natural, targeted brain states, such as gamma, beta, alpha, theta, and delta.